Are you tired of waking up 3, 4, even 5 times a night just to use the bathroom? Those constant interruptions don't just steal your sleep, they quietly drain your energy, your confidence, and even your joy during the day. Now maybe your doctor has told you, that's just part of getting older. But here's the truth, it doesn't have to be. Because in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 powerful, science-backed daily habits that can protect your prostate, restore your confidence, and yes, even help you sleep through the night again. My name is Dr. Sam from Thriving After 60. For over 30 years, I've worked with men just like you. Men in their 60s, 70s, even 80s, who felt embarrassed, frustrated, and sometimes even hopeless about their prostate health. I've seen how these problems can steal your sleep, chip away at your energy, and make you feel less like yourself. But I want you to know this. You are not alone. And more importantly, you're not powerless. The simple habits I'm about to share have already helped thousands of men reclaim their comfort, their confidence, and their quality of life. And they can help you too. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. If you find this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real health advice for men over 60. And let me know in the comments, which one of these 5 habits surprises you the most? Let's start with something so simple you might roll your eyes at first, water. But stay with me, because the timing of when you drink it can make all the difference for your prostate. Here's the problem most men don't realize. When you don't drink enough water during the day, your urine becomes concentrated. That concentrated urine is like a chemical irritant. It aggravates your bladder and prostate, making nighttime urgency and irritation even worse. So the instinct a lot of men have, which is to drink less to avoid bathroom trips, actually backfires. The real secret isn't how much water you drink, it's when you drink it. If you load up on fluids in the evening, your bladder has no choice but to wake you up over and over through the night. But if you front-load your hydration, drinking most of your water in the morning and afternoon, you give your body the fluids it needs without punishing yourself at bedtime. Here's the simple routine I give my patients: a tall glass of water first thing in the morning, another with lunch, one more mid-afternoon, then after 6 p.m., cut way back. Just small sips if you're thirsty. And the results? They can be dramatic. One of my patients, a 67-year-old grandfather, told me he used to wake up 4 times a night. Once he started shifting his water earlier in the day, he went down to just once a night. Imagine what that does for your sleep, your energy, even your mood the next morning. And this isn't just anecdotal. Studies show men who follow this hydration pattern report up to a 40% reduction in nighttime bathroom trips. That's nearly cutting them in half, with 0 medications, 0 side effects. So remember, it's not just what you drink, it's when. Timing your hydration is one of the easiest, most powerful gifts you can give your prostate. Now let's move to the second habit, one that requires no pills, no equipment, and no gym membership. I call it the 10-minute rule. Here's how it works. Right after your main meals, breakfast, lunch, and especially dinner, instead of sinking into the couch or scrolling on your phone, take a light 10 to 15-minute walk. Nothing intense, no power walking, no sweat required, just a relaxed stroll around your block or even up and down your hallway if the weather's bad. So why is this so powerful? Every time you eat, your blood sugar naturally rises. But if you go sit down right after a meal, that sugar lingers in your bloodstream. Over time, those constant spikes trigger inflammation throughout your body. And here's the key. Chronic inflammation is one of the main drivers of prostate swelling and discomfort. But when you walk after eating, your muscles act like sponges, soaking up that sugar and using it for immediate fuel. This prevents the spikes, lowers inflammation, and keeps your prostate calmer. In fact, a major study published in Diabetes Care showed that 3 short walks after meals controlled blood sugar better than a single long 45-minute workout. Think about that for a second. 10 minutes after dinner could do more for your health than spending hours in the gym. And it's something almost anyone can do. One of my patients, a retired teacher, told me he used to sit and watch TV right after supper. When he swapped that habit for a short evening stroll, he noticed his bathroom trips at night dropped within weeks. He said, "Doc, it feels like I traded a supplement bottle for a pair of walking shoes." So here's your takeaway. After you eat, don't just sit, stroll. It's free, it's simple, and it could be one of the most underrated tools you'll ever use to protect your prostate. Now, this next habit might feel a little uncomfortable to talk about, but I want to approach it with honesty and respect, because your health deserves the truth, not silence. I call it natural prostate cleansing, and it's not a myth, it's not a joke. It's a medical fact backed by some of the most respected research in the world. A groundbreaking Harvard study followed more than 30,000 men for nearly 2 decades. The results were crystal clear. Men who ejaculated more frequently, about 21 times a month or more, had up to a 33% lower risk of developing prostate cancer. That's a massive difference, and it shows us just how important this natural function really is. So why does it work? Think of your prostate like a storage tank. Over time, secretions, old cells, and even potential toxins can build up inside. When ejaculation happens regularly, it's like hitting the reset button. You're flushing out the old, clearing away waste, and keeping the gland healthier. Less buildup means less irritation, less inflammation, and less risk of dangerous changes over time. And here's the important part. This benefit comes from the act itself, whether with a partner or on your own. It's not about intimacy, romance, or stigma. It's simply about giving your prostate a natural cleanse that science has shown to be protective. I know for some men, especially those without a partner, this topic might feel awkward or even shameful. But I want to emphasize, there is nothing embarrassing about taking care of your health. This is normal, natural, and proven to be beneficial at every age. So instead of avoiding the subject, think of it as another healthy habit, just like drinking water or taking a walk. It's part of how you keep your prostate clean, clear, and functioning well. Your prostate doesn't care about taboos. It cares about staying healthy, and this simple habit gives it exactly what it needs. Now let's talk about something most men don't connect to prostate health: your digestion. You see, when your digestive system slows down and constipation sets in, it creates extra pressure in the pelvis. And that pressure doesn't just make you uncomfortable, it can actually press against the prostate and bladder, making urinary problems worse. That's why keeping your bowels moving smoothly is one of the most underrated ways to protect your prostate. And the key, fiber. Fiber acts like nature's broom. It keeps your digestion regular, prevents straining, and lowers inflammation throughout the body, including in the prostate. In fact, men who eat more fiber-rich foods often report less bloating, easier bathroom trips, and fewer nighttime awakenings. So, where do you get it? Think simple, natural foods. Juicy pears or apples with the skin on. A warm bowl of oats in the morning instead of white toast. A serving of beans, lentils, or chickpeas added to your dinner. These small swaps can add up to big results. For example, one gentleman I worked with in his late 60s struggled with both constipation and frequent urination at night. Once he started replacing his daily white bread with oatmeal and added a piece of fruit in the afternoon, within a few weeks he noticed he was not only more regular, he was waking up 1 or 2 fewer times per night. It's also worth noting that high-fiber diets support a healthier gut microbiome, which plays a role in regulating inflammation and even hormone balance, both critical for prostate health. So here's the takeaway. Don't underestimate the power of food. Next time you reach for a snack or plan a meal, ask yourself, does this fuel my digestion or slow it down? Just one smart swap, like oatmeal over white bread, could take real pressure off your prostate and give you back a more comfortable, confident day. Now here's a habit most men overlook, and yet it may be one of the most powerful of all. Your prostate doesn't just react to what you eat, it reacts to how you feel. When you're under constant stress, your body produces higher levels of cortisol and adrenaline. Over time, these stress hormones fuel inflammation, tighten the pelvic muscles, and can even accelerate prostate enlargement. Many men are surprised to learn that emotional tension is directly connected to those frustrating trips to the bathroom at night. That's why I recommend what I call the anti-inflammatory power hour. Don't worry, it doesn't mean spending a whole hour exercising. It simply means dedicating 15 minutes each day, morning or evening, to gentle activities that calm your nervous system and lower inflammation from the inside out. This could be a simple stretching routine to release tightness in the hips and lower back. Or it could be sitting quietly and practicing deep breathing, inhaling slowly through the nose, holding for a moment, and exhaling fully. Some men even enjoy light yoga or Tai Chi, which combines movement and breath for a double benefit. One of my patients, a 72-year-old retired engineer, used to wake up 3 or 4 times a night feeling constantly drained. When he began a short evening routine, just gentle stretches and 5 minutes of breathing before bed, within a month, his sleep improved dramatically. He told me, "It's like my body finally learned how to relax again." Science backs this up. Studies show that even 10 to 15 minutes of relaxation practices can lower inflammatory markers in the blood and support healthier circulation to the pelvic area. So here's your reminder. Caring for your prostate isn't just about food or supplements. It's also about managing stress, letting go of tension, and giving your body permission to reset. 15 minutes a day could be the difference between constant frustration and peaceful, uninterrupted rest. So let's bring it all together. The 5 habits are simple yet powerful. Hydrate smart at the right times, take a short walk after meals, keep your prostate clear with regular release, add fiber-rich foods to keep digestion moving, and calm your body daily with just a few minutes of breathing or stretching. Remember, you don't have to settle for restless nights and constant bathroom trips. Aging does not mean decline. It means adjusting, adapting, and giving your body the care it deserves. Even the smallest, most consistent steps can rebuild your strength, restore your confidence, and give you back control over your nights and your days. You're not powerless. Your habits are your medicine. And starting today, you can take that power back. Let me leave you with this. You're not broken. You're just overlooked. For too long, men have been told to accept decline as if it's an unshakable fate. But the truth is, your body is more resilient than you think. It's never too late to start caring for your prostate, and these habits are living proof that your body can still bounce back. Every small change you make today plants the seed for better nights, stronger days, and more confidence in yourself tomorrow. So don't walk away feeling fearful. Walk away hopeful, because you are capable and your best years can still be ahead of you. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a #1 in the comments so I know you made it all the way through. And don't keep this to yourself. Share it with a brother, a friend, or even your father who needs this message of hope today.